Welcome to our presentation on an innovative solution for water management, the IoT-based drinking water vending machine with sales and level monitoring. This project, developed by our dedicated team at Mabalacat City College, combines technology and sustainability to address challenges in accessing clean drinking water while promoting environmental stewardship. Our system is designed to revolutionize water dispensing by integrating IoT technology for real-time monitoring, sales tracking, and user-friendly operation. Using advanced tools and testing standards, we created a reliable and efficient solution that enhances water management. This initiative also supports global sustainability by reducing plastic waste and ensuring clean water access. Our project has the following objectives. 1. To develop a reliable and efficient IoT-based vending machine for Mabalacat City College. 2. To integrate real-time monitoring of water levels and sales through IoT sensors and mobile applications. 3. To enhance user convenience while promoting sustainability by encouraging the use of reusable containers. 4. To ensure the system aligns with 4 key Sustainable Development Goals, SDG 4, quality education, providing resources that support student health and well-being. SDG 6, clean water and sanitation, ensuring clean and accessible water for all. SDG 9, industry, innovation, and infrastructure, utilizing innovative technology for improved infrastructure. SDG 12, responsible consumption and production, reducing reliance on single-use plastics by encouraging reusable water containers. The system underwent a comprehensive testing process, alpha testing, conducted by 3 IT experts in controlled environments, both online and face-to-face, to identify initial system flaws and ensure software and hardware integration. The system achieved high functionality scores, with a mean of 4.15 based on ISO 25010 standards. The development of the IoT-based drinking water vending machine relied heavily on visual tools to streamline the design and implementation process. These charts and diagrams were crucial in organizing ideas, visualizing workflows, and ensuring the system met its functional and technical requirements. Beta testing, performed with 30 students and staff at Mabalacat City College Dapdap campus, selected using homogeneous purposive sampling. This phase evaluated real-world usability, performance, and reliability, resulting in an even higher satisfaction mean score of 4.81. Feedback from testers was instrumental in refining the system, ensuring it met user expectations. The scope of this study includes the design, development, testing, and evaluation of an IoT-based water vending machine. Key features include real-time water level monitoring using sensors, coin-based sales tracking integrated into a database for administrators, a mobile app for admins to monitor water levels and sales, with refill capabilities. While the system is currently limited to administrative use and requires internet connectivity, it represents a significant step toward accessible and sustainable water management. Despite its innovation, the system has some limitations. The mobile application is only accessible on Android devices. The system is dependent on stable internet connectivity for real-time monitoring. It supports only 1 and 5 peso coins, limiting flexibility for other denominations. Notifications from the app require it to be running in the background to function effectively. These limitations provide opportunities for future improvements as the system evolves. Thank you for exploring this innovative project with us. By combining technology and sustainability, we aim to create lasting solutions for our community. Together, we can make a difference.
Valid coins.
For every 1 peso, you get 100 milliliters of water, and for 5 pesos, you get 500 milliliters of water. Buttons uses blue button for cold dispense, red button for hot dispense, green button for continuation or cancel. LCD is for guidance or instructions. Vending machine is composed of hot and cold water. Insert coins to start. Press the green button to continue. Place your cup or container. Choose the red button for hot water or blue for cold. Hold the button to dispense water continuously. To cancel the process, hold the green button. Mobile app features contains About section, sales tracking, water level monitoring. Notifications or alerts for low water or system Water level monitoring is composed of automatic refill when levels drop below 25%. Manual refill requires holding a button to transfer water. Sales can be viewed as today, weekly, monthly or yearly, and sorts totals in ascending or descending order. Refill demonstration. Automatic refill is triggered when water levels drop below 25%. Manual refill. Press and hold to refill from the reserve. Coin insertions are logged in the database after each transaction.